It's time to work on a project that has been bugging us for a long time, like many of them have, and hopefully it'll be a pretty easy fix. So the problem is with the window latch here. This is at the dinette window, and the pieces fell off of this some time ago, a couple years ago. We saved them for a while thinking we could maybe put it back together. I couldn't figure out how to make it stay together. I think something broke or some springs flew out or who knows what. So what happens is while we're driving, because there's no latch here, this window will vibrate open and then we get wind noise and it rattles and things like that. So did a little bit of research and found a new window latch. It says single pane window, HEHR. I don't know if that's her or some other way of pronouncing that brand. But we just found this on Amazon. I don't think it was very expensive, maybe $20, something like that. And it seems like it will fit. I'm not a huge fan of the design. It's a kind of plastic latch rather than a metal latch, but I think it will work. It looks like it has the same type of latching mechanism. It didn't come with any instructions, so I don't know if these are spacers, what we're supposed to do with that, why we have these little plastic pieces, but maybe I'll figure that out when I take the old one apart. So kind of go at that and see if it works and if it fits. Okay, so learned a few things so far. I thought it would be super easy, and it's not a difficult job, but it's been a little bit frustrating. First thing was trying to get this old latch piece off. The backs of the screws would spin, and so there's a couple options. You can open the window a little bit and try to hold it from the back while you take it off. You can try to jam something in there to hold it, or with the window all the way closed, I was able to kind of hold it with some pliers on the outside while it was unscrewed from the inside. That worked okay. I found that the old screws that came out are a little bit shorter than the new screws, and I think the new screws need to be a little bit longer because I think this plastic is a little bit wider. But these new screws thread right into the inset nuts that are already there. So I don't really see a reason to use these ones that came with the new kit. I'm just going to use the ones that are already there. All of that was fine and good. I put it together and it didn't work. And so I had to do a little investigation, and I found that this latch piece that slides into a slot on the window was too wide. And so the slot, it wouldn't work, it wouldn't latch. So I took a Dremel and took about maybe 1/8 of an inch off each side to make this a little bit narrower. So now it will actually snap into the slot and it should work. But we'll find out in a minute when I put it all together. So I'm going to put this paper towel back here to just kind of keep the nuts from pushing back as I put the screws in. And then I'll get my new latch and the screws. And put those in. It threads in very nicely, so the screws are the same size and shape and everything. So I don't think I would break the glass if I tighten these down too much. I just want to make sure they're snug or they're not going to back out. There aren't any lock washers or anything on them, so if they do seem to loosen up, I'll probably put a little bit of Loctite on there. Okay, so now it's installed. I'll slide this closed and see what happens. Okay, so it made a click. Okay, so it does latch, but the window isn't all the way closed. Okay, so got it installed. It fits good. I found when I close this that it latches into place just like it should, but the window doesn't quite close all the way when it's in the latch. What I found though is even though when it kind of locks into the spot here, the window's open maybe I don't know, maybe a 1/4 inch or so. It still seals around the back, and it looks like it's going to seal okay. As far as driving down the road, I don't think it's going to wiggle open or anything. So I think this is an okay option for a new latch. If you happen to come across one of the original ones that's still in good shape, I think it works better. So if I can get a repair kit or a new one, I might do that. I looked at Applied GMC. They have them for $120, which is a little bit outside of what I want to pay for one of these. I'm guessing it's unobtainium at this point. So I'll probably just be happy with this and say that it's good enough. I might end up swapping kind of this style with some of the other latches, since this is the one that's kind of mostly visible right here by the front of the coach. But overall, it works. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's a good option.